Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. Today we'll talk about idiotic children. Very rare, but it is found. An idiotic child is one whose mental development is extremely delayed and whose intellectual capacity remains far below that of normal children. If of same age, such children often have difficulty in learning, reasoning, communication, and social interaction. The main causes the condition of occurs before birth, during birth, or after birth. Genetic disorder such as Down syndrome, brain injury during difficult labor, infections during pregnancy, malnutrition of the mother, severe brain infection after birth, lack of oxygen to the brain during the delivery. Sign and symptoms. Friends, signs and symptoms are very important. Very slow mental development, delayed speech or inability to speak properly, poor memory and poor learning ability, lack of concentration, difficulty in understanding instructions, very poor coordination and movement, delayed milestone such as walking and talking. Sometimes abnormal facial expression or drooling, it is also there. These children may also show emotional instability, irritability or dullness. Now we are coming to the homeopathic approaches. Homeopathy treats such cases by stimulating the vital force and improving the development of the nervous system. The remedy is selected according to the totality of symptoms and constitutional character of the child. Important homeopathic medicines are Britacarb, one of the most important remedy for mentally backward children. The child is shy, timid, slow in understanding and physically as well as mentally underdeveloped. Such children's behavior younger than their age. These are the symptoms of Britacarb. Britacarb also works on the brain hormone. It's very useful medicine and there is no any side effect of these medicines. Calcarea carbonica, suitable for children who are fat, sluggish and slow in learning. They sweat excessively on the head and have delayed milestone. Then our next medicine is coming Bufurana, very useful remedy. Bufurana is very useful when the mental dullness with epilepsy or convulsions. The child may have difficulty in speech and poor intellectual development. Then our next medicine is coming Silesia. Silesia indicated in children who are weak, delicate, shy and slow development. Friends, they lack confidence and have poor memory. Then we are coming to a great remedy, that is the tuberculinum. Tuberculinum 200 potency you just give once in a week. And when you are giving the tuberculinum, don't give any medicine on that day. Start the next medicine from the next very day. Early recognition and proper management are very important for such children. Along with the medical treatment, proper nutrition, education, and emotional support play a vital role in improving their quality of life. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you will like it and you will share it as much as you can. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.